You are not going out there.
Walter!
Shut up! Dad, don't you call me that. Don't do that. But do all the carpenters put their hands on people?
Only a coward hits a child. You all right, son?
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm sure Andrew is waiting for you and your mother outside. Why don't you join him?
Thank you.
Only a coward.
Sloan, whatever it is you're keeping inside, I can see how terribly it's hurting you. It won't stop until you let it go. Please, whatever it is, you must forgive yourself.
You ready to come with me, Jonathan?
Andrew, I've made my peace with this. Just for you.
Hello, Michael. Joseph. Hello, Heather. Alice. Frank. David. Hey, Ralph.
Hey, John. Alan. Jan. Tom. My name is Andrew, and I have brought you a brother. Okay, William. This is where you're gonna live.
Andrew, stop.
Give that to me.
No, Dad.
Please. You shouldn't have to do this alone. do?
We spread it out. This is called the signature panel.
Kites.
Yeah. William loved kites. Even though for a long time he couldn't even look at them. He was, he's funny like that.
Yeah. Did he tell you about the dragon kite?
Dragon kite? No.
In Tokyo, I went into a shop where I saw the most magnificent kite I'd ever seen. It was a dragon with fierce, blazing eyes. I thought to myself, that's for my William. All the way home, I sat with the kite in my lap, thinking about him, how that kite was going to make his eyes blaze. He'd be strong like that dragon.
I do remember you bringing that kite home again. I do. I guess when we must have been about 8.
The weather was gray and raw. William had the sniffles. But there was a wind up, and I was determined he was going to fly that kite. Over your mother's protests, I marched him down to Tidewater Park, and I said, let her rip. I was so fascinated by the prospect of seeing my son master the winds, on his way to mastering the world. I didn't pay attention to him when he was telling me he was too cold and he didn't want to do it. I said, stop whining. Stop whining. Be a man. Run, William, run. And you did. So you fell down crying. The kite ended up in the branches, total wreck. I looked at that shredded wreck, and I looked at my son, and I said, is this a carpenter? It's a disgrace. And I raised my hand and I slapped him. And I called him a sissy. I dragged him off and I slapped him again. Oh, I knew I was wrong. But I wouldn't apologize. Too proud. And I pretended like it didn't happen. But you couldn't pretend, could you, Lynn? Just look at me with those gray eyes. You saw a veil come over me. Over the years, it became a shield and a wall. I lost you because I couldn't tell you I was sorry. I am sorry. Oh, my beautiful boy. My precious son, I miss him so.